Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hi, I'm your host for this video, Mrs. M, and thank you so much for visiting my channel. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe below so you do not miss out on any of the juicy cleaning business industry news. Also, if you're looking to build a six-figure cleaning business, this is the right place. So I've been talking about ways to bring about awareness when you're looking at one of the main ingredients to getting business, which actually is the purpose of looking at trying to grow your business to get cleaning contracts. So if you're looking for more commercial cleaning contracts, you must bring about awareness for your business. And this is one way that you can actually look at marketing like a six-figure cleaning business owner. So there's two ways you can bring about traffic: organic or paid. Now I'm going to talk about organic traffic. That means that you're not paying for any ads, whether it be Google, Instagram, or any Google AdWords. It's actually free by doing certain things to bring about traffic. Now, one of the main things you have to do is you do have to have a website. One of the main ways to bring traffic and actually get your customers, your prospects, coming to your website is through organic traffic. One of the ways you want to do that is I always talked about being listed in the Google My Business. The other way you want to do that is through listings. There are different types of directories, online directories that will help bring traffic. Now, one I'm going to talk about is Manta. Manta is free. That's MANTA.com. Manta is a really great listing, and it's good for bringing traffic. You're able to put a profile, put pictures up, you can put a description about your business, and this is one of the great ways to get actually found and bring traffic through Manta. Another great way is yellowpages.com. That's yellowpages.com. Now, back in the day, we used to have an actual physical book, but more than, I don't even remember the last time I had an actual physical Yellow Pages book delivered to my home. So, the best way to get found is online. And yellowpages.com is one of the best ways to get found, and also it's free. So yellowpages.com is a great way to have your business found. You go in, once again, you fill in a profile, and this is a way to bring potential traffic to your website and able to build a relationship by having them sign up once they visit your website. Now, I know you must have your analytics and all in place in order to know how much traffic you're getting in each and every day, how long they're staying on particular pages, right? Well, if the answer is no, then you definitely need to make sure that you attend my masterclass. It's called Six-Figure Cleaning Business Masterclass from Scratch. This masterclass is going to go into all the methods that we actually use to scale our business to a multi-million-dollar business, and we want to help you be able to do the same thing. So make sure you click the link below. Space is limited. We do a live presentation, so we don't have a lot of space because we like to make sure we take the time to answer your questions. Make sure you bring a pen and paper because you're going to have some actionable items that you can actually implement that same evening. So if you're interested in subscribing so that you can actually build your brand, you want to make sure that you're building your cleaning business to six figures and beyond, then make sure you attend this masterclass. Like I said, click the link below and you'll be very, 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 very happy that you did. I put a lot of berries there. Very, 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 very. Anyway, take care, be safe, and until then, take care. Bye-bye.